All right, problem 3.4.18, another division. I'm going to set this one up a little bit different. It does suggest long division. We could try one of those examples of the synthetic if you'd like, but x plus 3 into, I'm going to write it in the standard form, highest degree exponent, leaving a spot for any degree we don't have. You know, just like you write the number 105. If I have no tens, don't I put a 0 in the tens place to hold that spot? So same thing in this problem. If I don't have any of these x's, I'm going to put a 0 in there just so I have a place if I do get a number that I need to line up under that term. So my setup on my problem would look like that, and then it's the same process. X times what to get negative 2x squared? Hopefully you say negative 2x. Multiply the negative 2x times each of these things to distribute it out and see what we have created here. Again, if we've done it correctly, this first term is always going to cancel out, and the negative 2x times the 3. See, this is why we needed this spot here. If we didn't have a 0x here, we wouldn't be able to line it up, and we might combine it with the wrong terms. So I needed negative 2x squared plus 4. I've created this much so far, so take it away to see what I still need. If I'm taking away a negative 6, that's really a positive 6x and my plus 4. And so if I go through that again, this x in front times what to get 6x, and hopefully you agree that's a plus 6. So I have my 6 times the x is a 6x when you multiply those two. And this 6 times that 3, I would have created 18. So I needed 6x plus 4. I've created 6x plus 18. What does that leave? The 6x's cancel. And then a 4 minus 18 would mean a negative 14 for the remainder. So again, find a quotient. Don't forget to write the polynomial in increasing order. So we did that. Again, the answer here is just, the question is how they want this written. I'm going to guess they want the negative 2x plus 6 plus your remainder of negative 14 over your divisor of x plus 3. Just like if we said what was 13 divided by 2, and we said 6 with a remainder of 1, the exact answer would be 6 1/2. So the remainder over the divisor. And with that, I think that would cover it. Let's see how it looked if we did it in the synthetic division. So let's set that up over here in the corner quick. When does x plus 3 equal 0? When does this x plus 3 equal 0? Negative 3, that's what comes out here. Now I'm going to look here because you want these in standard form. So it'd be a negative 2, a 0, and a 4 for my setup on my synthetic. Bring this negative 2 down. Multiply negative 3 times negative 2, get a 6, add straight down. Multiply negative 3 times 6, add straight down. Remainder, numbers, x's, plus in there. Negative 2x plus 6, negative 2x plus 6, remainder of 14, and then the same thing for your final answer as we did up here, remainder over the divisor, the x plus 3 in this case. Problem 3.4.18.